Hi guys, welcome back to Pipro versus YouTube channel where curiosity meets the code. Today we'll be discussing about captivating Atom AI. So we'll see what are the topics to be discussed. So starting with I'll give a introduction of Atom AI, and then we have power of AI for everyone. We have research revolution in the topic and beyond Google, citation assistance, plagiarism protection, personalized learning, academic success stories, data driven decision and market insights. Continuing with competitive advantage, streamlined operation, personalized marketing, business success stories, scalable learning, secure and reliable intuitive interface, customizable plans, future of AI powered assistance, and finally we have call to action. So let's get started. So, firstly, what is Atom AI? Atom AI is a versatile AI tool for advanced data analysis and virtual assistant catering to both student and businesses. Power of AI for everyone. The democratization of AI through Atom's AI user-friendly interface and adaptable features makes it accessible even for non-technical users. Then research revolution, dive into data and discover the insights. So analyze mountains of data from diverse sources, academic papers, statistic database, news articles and more. Secondly, we can extract hidden patterns and insight. We identify trends, correlation and anomalies that lead to valuable research discoveries. Thirdly, we have generate comprehensive reports such as summarize findings, create visualization, and format reports automatically from academic writing. Now, what is beyond Google? Dive deeper how Google works. We'll have a look using AI. Access and process information from unconventional sources, analyze social media data, government reports, historical records, and niche academic publication. Secondly, we have to find the needle in the haystack, extract specific data points, filter relevant information, and identify key argument with complex sources. Thirdly, we go beyond keywords, understand the context, analyze sentiment, and uncover hidden connection between the research topics. Simplify, focus, and achieve. In this, we have automate repetitive tasks, data cleaning, formatting, citation generation are handled effortlessly by Atom AI. Free your time for critical thinking, analyze findings, draw conclusion, and craft compelling arguments with new found efficiencies. And we have impressed with professional reports, which is generate polished error-free reports with stunning visualization and academic formatting. So, the next topic is citation conquering with Atom's AI assistants. Effortless citation generation includes saying goodbye to endless formatting, manual, and tedious typing. Atom AI automatically generates accurate citation in your chosen style, which is APA, MLA, or Chicago, etc., for any source, books, articles, or and more. One-click accuracy eliminates citation errors and inconsistencies. Atom AI pulls information directly from your research materials, ensuring perfect formatting and referencing accuracy. Thirdly, we have bibliological briefs, which is organize your research effortlessly. Atom AI automatically builds and manages your bibliography, keeping track of all your sources in one convention location. And lastly, we have plagiarism protection. Build confidence in your work. Atom AI scans your references for potential plagiarism issues, helping you maintain academic integrity. Personalized learning, we have learning the style guru, discipline expertise, focus on strength, bridge, and the gap, and we have interactive and evolving. So, learning style guru is Atom AI analyzes your study habits, preferred learning methods, and performing data to tailor its assistance to your individual needs. And in case of disciplinary expertise, whether you're a history buff, a physical prodigy, or a literature lover, Atom AI adapts its resources and recommendation to your specific academic field. Focus on strengths, bridge the gaps. Atom AI identify your areas of proficiency and weakness, providing targeted support where needed while challenging you to reach your full potential. And interactive and evolving as you learn and your needs change, Atom AI continuously adapts, providing dynamic support that grows alongside you and your academic journey. In case of academic success stories, the firstly is demystifying the data in social sciences, which is Sarah social major. The challenge was Sarah struggled to analyze complex social science data for her thesis, feeling overwhelmed by statistics and unclear research direction. Atom AI features that help Sarah is Sarah leveraged Atom's AI data analysis tool to visualize trends, identify correlation, and extract key insights from her database. The platform's personalized learning recommendation also suggests relevant academic resources and research methodologies. And the quote was Atom AI transferred my research process from chaotic to clear. It helped me see patterns and wouldn't have noticed otherwise, leading to a stronger thesis and newfound confidence in my data analysis skills. And what are the achievements? Sarah's thesis earned her a departmental commendation for her the insight analysis and innovative approach to understanding social dynamics. So the second one is Conquering Writers book in the Humanities by David, English literature major. The challenge for David was a talented writer faced crippling writer's block while crafting his senior essay on Shakespearean symbolism. He struggled to overcome creative hurdles and maintain academic focus. Atom AI features which help David is AI's tools. Writing tools including advanced plagiarism detection and citation generation, the platform's AI performed brainstorming, helping him develop organic arguments and refine his writing style. What did he quote? He quoted Atom AI became my writing partner, not just a grammar checker. It sparkled creative ideas, kept me on track with deadlines, and ensured my work was occasionally academically sound. My essay went from blank page to award winning piece thanks to its kindness. What was the achievement here? David's essay won the college's prestigious literature award for its original, elegant writing and insightful analysis of Shakespeare's work. Next, the third one we have time management masters in science, and the person who has written is Maria from biochemistry major. The challenging role for her was juggling demand lab experiments, religious coursework, and extracurricular activities left Maria feeling overwhelmed and struggling to manage her time effectively. What are the features that Atom AI provided to help Maria is Atom's AI advanced planning and scheduling tools to prioritize tasks, sets realistic deadlines, and track her progress. The platform personalized reminders and progress reports kept her focused and accountably. The quote was Atom AI became my secret weapon for time management and helped me stay organized, maximum my study time, and achieve a healthy work life balance. I wouldn't have thrived in such a demanding science program with its support. What is the achievement that Atom's AI has provided? Maria achieved top grades in all her science courses, secured a coveted research internship, and maintained a well rounded campus life, provided that academic success and personal well being can go hand in hand. So, lastly, regarding data driven decision, there is a lot of misconception regarding this. So, let's unleash it. Firstly, unleash the power of hidden patterns. Analyze vast amounts of data from diverse sources such as customer interaction, market trends, operational metrics to discover hidden patterns and uncover valuable insight. Predict the future, shape the present, leverage Atom's AI advanced predictive analysis to anticipate market shift, customer behavior, and potential risk, enabling protective decision making. Thirdly, we have optimized every step of the way, drive information decision across all operations from marketing campaigns, and resource allocation to the product development and customer service strategies. Next, competitive advantage. Firstly, we have unmask your rivals, analyze your competitors' data marketing campaign, social media presence, pricing strategies, customer reviews to uncover their strengths, weaknesses, and future plans. Secondly, we have predict their next move, leverage Atom's AI advanced competitive intelligence to anticipate your competitors' actions, stay ahead of their strategies, and react effectively to potential threats. And then we have differentiate and dominate, identify strategic gaps in the market and capitalize on them, develop unique value proposition, optimize your pricing and product offering, and outmaneuver your competitions in every stage of the game. Next, we have streamlined operation. The first one will be free your workspace from mundane tasks, automated, repeated data entry, report generation, and customer services inquiries, freeing your employees to focus on creative, strategic work. Secondly, we have reduced efforts, errors, and boost accuracy, eliminate human error in data pre-processing, and reports with Atom's AI advanced automation capabilities, ensuring reliable and consistent results. Thirdly, increase speed and efficiency, streamline operational workflows, and accelerate process with Atom's AI intelligent automation, leading to faster response times and improved productivity. Next, we have personalized marketing. Firstly, we have to know our customers like never before. Leverage Atom's AI advanced data analysis to deeply understand individual customer preferences, purchase behavior, and online interaction. Craft tailor message every time, deliver personalized content and recommendation and offer based on each customer's unique profile, fostering deeper engagement and bond loyalty. Thirdly, we have optimized campaigns for maximum impact, analyze campaign performance in real time and dynamically adjust messaging, targeting, and timing to maximize conversation rates and ROI. So, some of the business success stories are firstly e-commerce giant Atoms AI personalized product recommendation and dynamic pricing strategies boosted conversion rates and revenue by 25%. Secondly, in manufacturing leader, predictive maintenance powered by AI's data analysts prevented machine failures, reducing the downtime and increased production efficiency by 15%. And in healthcare provider, AI-powered chatbots and intelligent scheduling tools implemented with Atom AI streamlined patient interaction and improved customer satisfaction by 13%. So lastly, we have scalable learning. So what is beyond Atom's AI? Beyond static algorithms, Atom AI is not just a set of programmed rules. It's a living, breathing intelligence that constantly learns and adapts based on user interaction and real world data. Secondly, we have personalized evolution. Your unique interaction with Atom's AI shape its understanding of your needs and preferences, making it more personalized and effective over time. Thirdly, future-proofed intelligence. As the world evolves, Atom AI evolves with it, incorporating new data and trends to stay relevant and deliver cutting-edge solutions. Secure and reliable. So, how secure and reliable is Atom's AI? Firstly, we have state of the art security. That means Atom's AI employs industry leading security protocols, including encryption, access control, and intrusion detection to safeguard your data. Second, we have privacy at the core. We respect your privacy and user rights. You control your data and we transport about how to use it and store it. Thirdly, we have compliance guaranteed. Atom AI adheres to the highest international data privacy and security regulation, ensuring compliance with industry standards and legal requirements. So, about intuitive interface, firstly, no tech degree required. Atom's AI interface is designed for everyone, regardless of technical expertise. Clear instruction, intuitive navigation, and helpful prompts guide to every step of the way. Secondly, say goodbye to meanness. Forget endless menus and hidden features. Atom's AI interface is visual, clear, and organized, providing instant access to all its functionalities. Thirdly, we have interact and explore. Discover the power of AI through engaging interaction. Use drag and drop features, interactive visualization, and voice commands to make the most of Atom's AI capabilities. Now, about customizable plans in Atoms AI, firstly, empowering every journey. Whether you're a student seeking academic excellence or a business aiming for a growth, Atom AI offers tailored plans to meet up your specific needs and goals. Scale up with your ambition, start small and grow with Atom AI. Choose a plan that fits your current needs and easily upgrades as your required evolve. Thirdly, no feature fatigue. Access only the features you need, avoiding unnecessary costs and complexity. Organize your plan for maximum value and avoid paying for what you don't use. Future of AI powered assistants, which is such as Atom AI. So, what is the future of all those power bots? Firstly, the AI resolution is here. The future of assistance is powered by AI, and Atom AI is at the forefront of this transformative journey. Secondly, we have constant innovation. We continuously invest in research and development, embracing cutting edge advantages in natural language processing, machine learning, and ethical AI practices. Thirdly, we have human centered AI. Our focus remains on collaborating with humans, amplify our capabilities, and enabling us to achieve more together. Call to action. This is for students. Take your studies to the next level. Unleash the power of Atom AI to conquer research, roadblocks, refine your writing, optimize your study time. Visit their website and discover how Atom AI can be your ultimate academic partner. Secondly, fuel your academic success. Don't struggle alone. Let Atoms AI personalized guidance and intelligence tools elevate your performance and unlock your full potential. Sign up for a free trial now, which you can do it and experience a difference AI can make you academic journey. Join the future of learning. Be part of revolution in education powered by AI. Explore Atoms AI innovative features and discover how can personalize your learning experience and set you apart from the rest. So for businesses, we have drive growth for data-driven decision. So elevate your business intelligence with Atoms AI advanced and analytical and predictive insights. Uncover hidden patterns, optimize operation, and stay ahead of the competition. Take the first steps towards the data-driven success. Contact us today for free consultation. Unlock the power of personalization. Revolutionize your customer experience with Atoms AI targeted marketing and automated tasks. Deliver personalized offers, streamline interaction, and boost customer engagement. Start your free trial and see how AI can transform your customer relationship. Thirdly, we have work smarter, not harder. Empower your team with intelligent assistance of AI Atom AI, automate repetitive tasks, streamline workflows, and free up your employees to focus on strategic initiative. Contact them today and discover how AI can unlock your business full potential. So that is it for today. So in conclusion, we can conclude that Atom AI is an AI like a assistant. So it will assist you to everything regarding studies, regarding business, analysis, your personal assistance, your priority set, etc. So if you have learned something from this video, please do like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.